welcome to CyberKids HQ. Get ready for an awesome adventure. Hi, I'm Alex, a very cheerful and enthusiastic cyber kid. Have you ever heard of the internet? It's like a giant playground. It's super cool. It connects friends from all over the world. It's like magic. You can learn amazing new things every day. And guess what? You can play the coolest games and watch fun videos too. So what do you love to do on the internet? Let's explore together. The magical web. Imagine a giant spider web in the sky, sparkling with morning dew. But this web is special. It's full of bright colors and friendly creatures. Instead of catching bugs, this web is made of cool wires and signals, creating a network that buzzes with energy and light. These wires are like super fast roads zooming information around really quickly. They connect all the computers in the world, making a huge web that wraps around the whole planet. Imagine every computer, from the one in your home to those far away, all linked together. When you go online, your computer joins this amazing web. It can talk to other computers, sharing fun stuff and ideas. It's like sending a message in a bottle, but your message zooms through the web super fast. You can send messages to your friends and family no matter where they are. It's like you're all connected by invisible threads, bringing you closer together. You can also see what others are sharing, like photos, videos, stories, and news. The web lets you explore and find new things every day. Have you ever sent an email or chatted with someone online? It's like magic. With just a few clicks, your words travel through the web and reach the other person almost instantly. The magical web makes it all possible, connecting us in ways we never imagined. Fun on the internet. The internet is a magical playground where you can find endless fun and excitement. From watching hilarious videos to playing interactive games, there's something for everyone. The internet is full of awesome stuff. You can explore new worlds, meet new friends, and discover amazing things. It's like having a giant playground right at your fingertips. You can watch funny cat videos on websites like YouTube. These videos can make you laugh and brighten your day. There are also many other types of videos, like tutorials, music videos, and educational content. You can play games with your friends. Whether you like action-packed adventures or puzzle games, there's something for everyone. Multiplayer games let you team up with friends or compete against players from around the world. You can even learn how to draw your favorite cartoon characters. There are many online tutorials that can teach you step-by-step how to create amazing artwork. It's a great way to improve your skills and have fun at the same time. There are also websites where you can read books and comics. You can dive into exciting stories and explore different genres. What are your favorite websites to visit? Share them with your friends and discover new ones together. The internet is a vast and exciting place, and there's always something new to explore. The internet is a super cool place, but we need to be internet superheroes to stay safe. There are so many awesome things to do online, but just like in the real world, we need to be smart and make good choices to protect ourselves. Just like you wouldn't talk to strangers on the street, you shouldn't talk to strangers online. Strangers online can sometimes pretend to be someone they're not, and it can be tricky to tell if they're being honest. Always be cautious, and never share personal information with someone you don't know. If someone you don't know sends you a message, don't reply. It's best to ignore messages from strangers, even if they seem friendly or ask for help. Responding to these messages can sometimes lead to trouble, so it's safer to just not engage at all. Tell a grown-up you trust, like your parents or teacher. They can help you decide what to do and keep you safe. It's always a good idea to talk to an adult if something online makes you feel uncomfortable or unsure. Remember, not everyone online is who they say they are. Some people might try to trick you by pretending to be someone else. Always be cautious and think twice before sharing any information or clicking on links. Staying safe online means being smart and making good choices every time you use the internet. And finally, CyberKids. Just like in real life, it's super important to be kind online. No one likes mean words. Let's keep it friendly. Remember, treat others how you want to be treated. It's the golden rule. Spread the fun. Share your funniest jokes, coolest drawings, or the most interesting facts you know. Together, we can make the internet a super happy and safe place for everyone. And don't forget, CyberKids, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures.